my name is Chloe, and today I will be demonstrating what I call the braided rose. Let's get started. To start off this look, you will split your ponytail into 3 sections. Now you will just lightly braid the 3 sections together. Now you will just elastic the end of the braid . Now you will roll the braid into a bun. Grab a bobby pin and secure it. Do as many as you need so it is secure enough to hold. Thank you for watching my tutorial on the braided rose bun. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.